Going to try to quickly show you a mistake I see happening a lot, and I guess how to catch it. So you know how all of us are designing, and we pretty much stay between Canva, maybe some Affinity, some Photoshop, and now ChatGPT. So I'm going to show you something that I am catching when I am going through my orders for DTF transfers. And I'm using an example from balloons because this is just what's here right now without me, trying to make another one. But so I told ChatGPT, make a mylar balloon floating with this pic on it. And, I want it to be a circle 18-inch wide mylar balloon, transparent PNG high resolution. So it gives me this. Then I think to myself, wouldn't it be better if my balloon was blank? Because I can use it over and over without a picture on it. So I said, create this balloon with no print and a longer string. And it gives me this. Now, it looks like a transparent PNG. We know that the symbol of what we look for when we look for something transparent is going to have these little, I don't know, checkerboard boxes behind it. So then I go to download the art that I want, and I hit download. Now watch this. Do you think it's a transparent PNG? Yes or no? Now let's click on it and see. It is not a transparent PNG. ChatGPT gave me the art that I asked for, but it gave me the look of a transparent PNG, but not an actual transparent PNG. This one was transparent, and this is how you can tell on ChatGPT. When I touch this, when I touch the art, I see that background come up, but when I move it, it's not there. So I go to download this one, and you'll see. When I zoom in, nothing changes but the actual art. If you zoom in, we'll go to this one. If you zoom in and it's growing, the background too, that's not actually transparent. That's one quick way to tell. Another way, and I use Canva to make it quick and simple instead of going into Affinity and Photoshop, because a lot of us do have Canva. So I'll just go here. Now this is what I do. Even when I remove the background off of art, I will put a loud color in the background so I can see if it's actually transparent. So I'm going to take my art, both of those files. Now I'm going to actually put a background here. It's not transparent. But if you didn't know what to look for, you would assume that you had a transparent file because you see those boxes and it's not actually transparent. Now it's transparent.